So if you are thinking about putting your house on the market in 2022 and 2023, probably from now on, everything that I'm saying is going to be applied to it. This video is for you. Market has shifted from 2009, 2010 until 6 months ago. It was very much a seller's market. Home prices were going up. You put a house on the market, relatively quickly the house will sell, sometimes with multiple offers. In the past 2 years, it's been crazy seller's market and homes have been selling much faster. That's what we are used to. We realtors and also the general public, the home sellers. You know, a year ago, if I put a house on the market and within a week it didn't sell, I would be asking questions. Maybe I have priced it too high. Maybe the condition of the house is not too much. The same thing, the sellers will be asking me the same question. You know, what's wrong? Market has shifted. Is it because of the recession or talk of recession, higher interest rates? We are north of 6% right now. War in Ukraine, whatever the reason is, we have a less buyer activity than we did before. We're getting less showings and homes are staying on the market longer. Now, I'm going to talk about two things which will make you as a home seller kind of adjust your perspective, adjust your expectations in the new market, okay? So that when you put your house on the market, you do not end up with the anxiety of how come my house is not selling, how come my house is not selling, and also don't end up putting your house on the market and your house doesn't sell. Sellers want to put their house on the market and want to have that house to sell, right? Okay, so two things. Number one, get your realtor, not you. Don't go on one of these websites, free websites that unfortunately they make people believe that they know a lot about real estate. They don't. The information that they provide to you is very general. So tell your realtor that you want to have the average days on the market for homes like yours in your specific market. When I say specific market, we have greater, for example, in our area, we have the greater Sacramento area. Greater Sacramento area is divided into many different cities. For example, Carmichael, Fair Oaks. I live in city of West Sacramento. That's where I do a lot of my business. For example, in West Sacramento, we have several different markets. Each one of these submarkets is really a different animal by itself. It's got, we've got, for example, over $1 million homes in a gated community. Then we have homes that were built around 1950s. Those are smaller homes, more affordable. They start around probably $300,000, between $300,000 to $450,000. Then we have a lot of homes which were built after 2000. They range from about $500,000 to about $800,000, $900,000. Then we have rural properties, which are 1 acre, 2 acre properties, which are older. They have well and they have septic. Again, what I'm trying to say is that every market have submarkets. And when you're selling your house, get your realtor to find out how much homes similar to yours in that submarket is taking to sell. They will come up with a number for you. I just closed on a house and our number was 30 days. Homes like that in that submarket were taking or are taking about 30 days to sell. That number will help you adjust your expectation, okay? You put the house on the market, okay, first week goes by, second week goes by. If the number is 30, if you've been on the market just two weeks and you hasn't sold, it's not too long, okay? Whereas if the number is 30 and now you've been on the market for 60 days, okay, there's talks that you should be having with your real estate agent to see what you can do, which is either probably adjusting the price or improving the quality of the home, okay? So that's one thing. The other thing that you should be doing is when you put your house on the market, your realtor should be looking at how many showings you are getting, how many buyers are actually coming to look at your house according to the price and the pictures and the description that you've put it on the market. That is, is on the MLS. That's where they are seeing your house. Are people coming in to look at your house, or are they not? If how many showings did you have the first week of being on the market? If you've had just 1 or 2 showings, that's really too little. Again, this is a conversation that you should be having with your agent. And, another week goes by, you don't have any showings. There's something wrong. You should be getting showings. Again, probably your price is high. So by keeping an eye on the number of showings that your property is getting, you will know where you are at. Okay, that's it. Those 2 things, days on the market and the number of showings that you're getting, will give you an idea of where you're at and what you should be doing. Probably if it's taking too long, if you're not getting showings, if your days on the market is increasing, you're probably overpriced for today's market, for that day's market. Forget about how much the Joneses house down the street sold, how many days they were on the market. Forget that. It's really irrelevant, because market has shifted. Okay, I hope that this helps to give you a better perspective on that. The house that we closed on, I was the listing agent on it. We were 15 days on the market. We only received 1 offer. That offer was less than asking price. We gave them a counter offer. The buyer came up and my sellers agreed to that. Now, that would have been a very different story if, for example, the day on the market for those homes, instead of 30 days, would have been, say, 10 days. We would have said, okay, the market is hotter than we expected. So I hope that helped. If you had any questions, comment below, or you're more than welcome to always call me, email me, text me. I will be more than glad to help. If this video helped, please go ahead and subscribe to my button and click on that bell, and let me know what you think. Okay, Sacramento forever. Let me know if I can help. Take care.